Hey YouTube, Freddy back again with another video. In this video we're gonna be installing some splash guards on the Mustang. There is so much construction going on in Charlotte, and I hear the rocks just hitting the car when I'm driving near that area, so I wanted to get this. At American Muscle, these things are $150 for the 04. So we're gonna go ahead and install them, set them up, and see how they look. All right, guys. So we gotta use the bigger one out of the two, and they should just kind of slide into some of the molding that's down here. And that one will slide in there. And then we'll do the back side. The backside one just fits right in here and here. Alright guys, so these are on the car installed, and they look really nice. This is smooth finish, but back here you got a texture finish. There's the front one. It's really cold out here right now, so this side's texture, this side's smooth. So there you go, guys. It should hopefully protect the car better from all this rocks and construction work going on around Charlotte. One thing, guys, that I was wondering about was, putting like a little coyote, like a little howler coyote decal here. I may do that, or maybe back here I may do that. I don't know. I need to look into that, just so that when you're driving out behind it, you'll be able to see it. I mean, these things, they don't really stick out too far, so that's good. All right, guys, if you like this quick short video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs up anyways. If you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe down below. And if you have any questions about this SpeedForm splash guard, go ahead and comment down below. Till next time, peace. So I'm at Crossroad Fords, and they got a GT 350R. No seat back there. Not sure if it's a customer's or what, but man, it's nice. It's got the matte black stripes. This one has the entertainment package though, and the AC. It's got some huge wheels.